A very good morning, my dear students. I welcome you all in Rishikul online classes. Dear students, today we are going to discuss the next topic of English reader. In the previous module, we have already discussed about the important words of the poem Sympathy. This beautiful poem is written by Paul Laurence Dunbar, who was an African American poet. Although he lived to be only 33 years old, he was prolific, writing stories, novels, plays, songs, and essays, as well as the poetry, for which he became well known in the society. So let's discuss the summary of this poem. The poet is expressing to the readers all the difficult problems he has encountered in his lifetime. He is relating his life to a bird that is trapped in a cage while everything around or outside of the cage is growing and living. The speaker starts us off by saying that he knows exactly what a cage bird feels. It doesn't feel good, especially when outside of the bird's cage the sun is bright, river is flowing, wind is stirring through the grass. The bird can't go out. The bird can't hang out on the branches of the tree. In the next stanza, things get a little bit more violent. The speaker tells us that he knows why the cage bird beats his wing until they are blooded against the bars of its cage. This stanza focuses on the idea of physical pain, not only the bird wounded because it beats its wing against the cage and trying to get free from the cage. In the final stanza, the speaker tells us he knows why the cage bird sings. We can guess by this point in the poem that this bird is singing not because it's a happy bird. After all, its wing is bruised and its bosom is sore. The cage bird's songs here, he is sending his request to the god so that he can get free from the cage. So thank you so much, dear students. In the next module, we will discuss about the question answer of this poem. Thank you. Have a nice day.